One bag travel. How to organize your travel essentials in a single bag. Hey there, are you a traveler like me who always feels overwhelmed with all the stuff they need to bring on their trips? Do you wish there was a way to simplify your packing and still have everything you need? Well, fear not. I've got the solution for you. One bag travel. With one bag travel, you can easily pack all your essentials into a single backpack, leaving less space for unnecessary items. And the best part, you can be confident that you have everything you need for your trip, without the worry of missing anything. Here's how it works. First, decide what items you need for your trip. Make a list and prioritize them based on their importance. Then, go through your backpack and organize your items into groups. For example, group your clothes, toiletries, electronics, and any other items you need frequently. Use zippered compartments and pockets to keep your items organized and easy to access. And for those longer trips, consider using a shoulder strap to make it easier to carry around. With one bag travel, you'll have more time to enjoy your trip and less time worrying about your belongings. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your one bag travel today and enjoy your trip without the stress of packing. One bag travel, that's the way to go. Let me know in the comments if I left anything out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more nomad tips and travel hacks. See you in the next video.